In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a gift card on Roblox. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to roblox.com on your desktop PC, laptop, anything that you use, and then from there what you need to do is come to the left hand side bar here, and if you go all the way down to the bottom, you will see an option for gift cards. If you select gift cards, what that will do is it will open this little section here, and from here you can buy a gift card or you can go to redeem a gift card up at the top here. So click on redeem a gift card, and then that will open a new window, and then from here this is what page you'll be brought to, and all you need to do now is enter in the PIN code here. So if you enter in your PIN, once you've entered in your PIN, and then all you need to do is select redeem. Once you select redeem, you will have to go ahead and do a little verification, little captcha. So click on verify, and then once you do that, you'll need to go through this little stage here. And then once you go through the verification, the gift card will then be added to your Roblox account. So that's how you can go ahead and redeem a gift card on Roblox.